I I believe I have mastered the skill of having a conversation with a chatbot. As in, like and so yesterday was April's Fool, and I had an idea of um, writing a Maslow's diagram, because I think we talked about this.
Yeah,
Just
we did.
it triggered in my mind. I literally put a note to myself: write a Maslow diagram for risk managers. So I had an idea of creating a Maslow's diagram for risk management, and because it was April's Fool, I used AI to create my vision of what the Maslow's diagram should look like. But because it was April's Fool, I then said, create me the inverse of all the nonsense and all the marketing rubbish that is usually what I call risk management one. And in both instances, it did an amazing job. But it was me kind of strategizing, creating, and then AI just writing it in coherent sentences. It was, I created it, and then I had to explain my vision to AI for AI to kind of write it up. And because I use one of my own agents that has been trained on all my articles and all my videos, it does a pretty good job at translating my thoughts into my, my language as well. So it did an amazing job. But it's very involved. Like the version that I published, and by the way, world is a very ironic place. The real one, I think, got 50 likes, and the joke one got 120 likes, and a lot of people took it seriously. Like all the nonsense that I was writing, I was purposefully being just as silly as physically possible. A lot of people took it seriously. It just went like, yes, great, like but it's missing something. I'm going like, it's missing everything. It's meant to be wrong. But anyway, the version that I finally published is like iteration number 11 or 12.
Mm-hmm.
So I spent quite a lot of time trying to refine and make it mutually exclusive, collectively exhaustive, and just make sense so it's coherent and it's connected and it captures all the philosophical things that I wanted to capture. So it took a lot of effort, and I'm really looking forward to the world where the next iteration of AI, you give a task, and it just goes away and develops the methodology, fact checks the methodology, pulls in the right asset data, pulls in the right financial data, pulls in external risk exposure data, internal risk analysis data, finds inconsistencies, mismatches, figures out how to deal with that, and then does the analysis, fact checks the analysis, and then finds a way to present it in the format that actually helps to make a decision, whatever is the decision at hand. So I'm really looking forward to that next iteration where there's a lot of multi-step doing, not just human in the loop at every single stage. That's now quite daunting. I'm looking forward to the world where AI has a lot of autonomy to like deliver the full draft, not the zero shot, not the the multiple shot, but like really a draft that is the product of multiple thinking steps and lots of validations, and it's actually based on coherent memory, corporate memory, and so on. So I think that will be an amazing world.